Hey guys, good morning to all of you. Hope you all are doing well. So, guys, first of all, I would like to say sorry because due to some busy schedule, I can't update you the job openings. So, today in this video, I will share with you a job openings from Malta. I hope you all of know that Malta is a European country, and nowadays there are many vacancies and so many job opportunities. So, guys, if you're interested to move Malta with a job without any help of agency or consultancy, you can move directly. You can apply directly to the company by their websites, and you have to make your CV and cover letter properly. Then you can upload to them to the official websites. And after you upload your CV, if they will select you, they can take your interview by Skype, and once you selected, they will provide you the sponsor letter through which you can apply for the visa by your own, and you can move Malta with a job with a very low charges. So let's start. What is the job openings for today? This is a job openings from architecture designer required in Malta. So if you belongs to architecture profiles, if this is a good opportunity, so don't miss this. You just need to apply properly. After you apply, be positive. You can attend the interview, and once you get success from the interview, of course you will get a job in Malta, no doubt. So as you can see here, the job summary, the development department is a specialized unit whose function is to consolidate the group's activities in the development sector. The architecture designer is responsible for assisting in creating architecture drawings for the planning stage, preparing detailed design drawings and related documentations concerning tender packages and visiting sites as requested. The candidate must give particular attention to detail and be capable of handling several demanding projects at different levels and to the highest specifications and standards of the group. So guys, this is the job summary about the job details, and you can see here the responsibilities. As you can see here mentioned point by point, you need to read it properly. I will explain you few points. Preparing neat and organized CAD drawings, preparing schedules of materials, light fittings, furniture, etc. Conduct surveys, site measurements of properties, preparing scale sketches of proposals and site measurements. So this is all about the architecture profiles. If you are belongs to these profiles, don't be late. Just you need to read it properly. What is the responsibilities point by point mentioned here? This is the requirements. This is very important point. What is the requirements to apply for this job to work as an architecture designer? Bachelor of Arts honors in Material Design of Bachelor of Science in Construction Engineering or Bachelor of Science honors in Built Environment Studies. Having a flair for design will be considered an asset. First and proficient with the latest AutoCAD software. Have a technical knowledge of different materials and their performance spaces. So as you can see here, this is all about the requirements. This is the basic requirements to apply for this job. If you have the proper qualifications and experience, don't be late, apply. This is very important point. Please listen carefully. First of all, you need to prepare a proper CV with a cover letter. This is very important point. So I already provided you the link. This is the European CV and cover letter creating websites. You can open these websites and register and create your CV and cover letter, and the same cover letter and CV you can forward to the European employers. This will be a good advantage to select your to shortlisted your CV by the European employer. So kindly request open these websites and register and make your CV and cover letter through these websites, which is very important to the European employers. Then, if you're interested all about the candidates' requirements and qualifications and experience, if you have fulfilled all the requirements, you can apply by sending a mail to the proper email ID I mentioned here. The same email ID and the CV creating websites I will description mention in the descriptions. You can collect from the descriptions and you can drop your CV to the given official email ID. So guys, for today, this is one and only job openings, which is architecture designer, and the requirements is here. If you have the requirements, if you are fulfilling the requirements, you can make a look of the responsibilities and you can apply through this email ID. And before you apply, be ensure that your CV and cover letter made by this Europass. So lots of thanks for your valuable time. I will try to give you the job informations, latest job openings across the world, and due to some busy schedule, I can't give you the updates, but I'm trying my best. So subscribe and be positive. I will give you the informations. You just need to apply again and again. I already told in my previous videos. Please don't be negative, positive, negative things, and don't be think negatives, and don't lose your hope. Trying again and again. One day you will get a success. So my request: apply again and again. If you are thinking there is no response from the employer, you will back. It's not good. You have to try again and again. Don't worry about the employers not responding. They will respond because they are hiring for an employee. But before that, your CV, your cover letter, your profile should be proper. So be focused on that, your CV and cover letter, and apply it through the email, through this email ID, and make your CV by these websites and cover letter also. Don't forget to drop a cover letter. This is very, very important. And if you are belong to these professionals, don't be that apply, and I am sure you'll get a chance to attend the interview. Once you getting success from the interview, you will process for the visa and you can move to Malta. So don't worry, no need any help of any person. You can directly apply through website. You can attend the interview by the company directly, and once you selected, you can process your visa and you can move. So this is the proper way nowadays. No need any agency, no need any consultancy. So the thing is, your mindset should be stable. You should apply again and again, and your focus should be on the your CV and your cover letter, and your focus should be on your interview, and your focus should be on your mindset. If you have a dream to move foreign with a job. So again, lots of thanks for your valuable time. In the next video, I will try to give you the latest job openings and the new updates. So to that, they will connect with this channel. Bye bye.